A science of novel thermoelectronic, semiconductor, high-key dielectric, multiferric, and MEMS device application technology, resistive temperature sensing behavior of PVS thin film deposited by chemical bath deposition. Ingeniero Monroy Trejo Daniel, Instituto Tecnológico de Querétaro. Doctora Ortuño López Mónica Valvanera, investigadora, Instituto Tecnológico de Querétaro. Doctora Jiménez Flores Yolanda, investigador, Instituto Tecnológico de Querétaro. Doctor Alcántar Peña Jesús, gerente de semiconductores y microtecnología CIDESI como grupo asesor. Resistive temperature sensing behavior of PVS thin films deposited by chemical bath deposition. Objective: to preliminary evaluate the resistant temperature sensor behavior of PVS thin film deposited by chemical bath deposition through the analysis of the RT response and the quality of liner fitting over different temperature intervals in order to identify a candidate operating region for thermal sensing. PVSD field to resistive temperature sensing. Lead sulfide PVSD fields are semiconductor material of interest for resistive temperature sensor, as their electrical resistance varies with temperature, field wide contrary electrical properties can be obtained using the chemical bath deposition (CBD) technique on glass substrate. Analyzing the resistance-temperature relationship allows for the evaluation of parameters such as sensitivity, linearity, and temperature coefficient, thereby determining their suitability for the response. RT allows for the evaluation on its potential for resistive temperature sensing. In the figure 1, the morphology of PBS for 0.5 mole CBD chemical bath deposition. Lead sulfide PBSD film prepared by the chemical bath deposition method are low-cost semiconductor layer widely used in optoelectronic, solar cells, and infrared sensor. Elements of CBD synthesis: precursor lead salts such as PB, nitrates or acetates, and sulfur source such as urea, gelatin. Agent substances are used to control the rate of metal ions formation mechanism. It occurs through the reaction of ions in solution proceeding to nucleation and subsequently to layer growth. In literature, Van Grove effect to field thickness of PBS microstructure. In figure 3 is 1 increase PBS on substrate the glass increase thickness. In the X2 increase PBS on S1 in, increase thickness. And on methodology, procedure for producing the field, glass cleaning, placement the glass slide, heating the ionized water to 75 degrees. Preparation for precursor, water deionized, urea, urine, nitrate, potassium hydroxide. Add the precursor to the water, then it is 75 degrees. Allow the temperature to recover to 17 degrees to start steaming. Measure pH target 13. Measure deposition time 20 minutes. Clean the sample with water and alcohol. Dry the sample in air. Repeat this process two more times until obtaining a three-layer sample. RT characterization procedure. Placement of electrode with silver conductivity ink. Soldering a conductor wire to each electrode. The field is placed the heat source. The same one can be controlled with a pyrometer converter from ambient light. The multimeter is connected to each wire measure the resistance of the field exposed to heat. Temperature and resistance are recorded. A result table is created temperature versus resistance. A graph of the data equation, R squared, a regression line is created data analysis. Electrical characterization, resistance temperature response, RT. In the graphic figure 6, eh, the zone marked in the red, experimental observation error decrease with increasing T. Anti-type response is observed. The completed response is not globally linear. The 68 degrees interval show a more regular decrease in resistance. A linear feed analysis of different temperature intervals was performed to identify a candidate operation region. Linear feed analysis in the candidate region 68 degrees. In the graphic figure 7 is candidate region 1686 degrees. R squared 0.99 is less 1,720.55 degrees. Air mass 211 kilom. Air mean 165 kilom. Elder 46 kilom. NTC type response. The 68 degrees interval was selected as a preliminary candidate region because it combines a high-quality linear feed with a wide temperature span. Analysis of the fields is potential. In the figure A is Coder-Swim preliminary acquisition of system. By obtaining resistance versus temperature measurement data, the response can be evaluated to determine the behavior equation. Future work repeatability, heating, cooling, cyclus, hysteresis, field-to-field, dispersion, uncertainty, linearity, error and comparison while platinum micro RTMD reference. Conclusion: the preliminary results indicate that the investigated PBSD field exhibit a measurement intensity resistive response to temperature. The 68 degrees interval showed an approximately linear behavior, R squared 0.99, while a sensitivity of less 1.72